guys, I wanted to show you guys this little gadget in case you're someone who struggles with threading a needle, whether it's arthritis or otherwise. This is a needle threader, and you would take your piece of thread, and just in between the number 1 and 3 there's a little groove, so you can put the thread down in there and just pull it forward. And then the needle itself, you want to make sure that the eye is facing front to back. So looking at it right now, I can see through the eye of the needle. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that in the little slot here. Again, making sure these are just pulled forward. And then push on the little lever that says number 2. Release. And then pull your needle out. And you can see it's pulled it through for you. So you'll just want to go ahead, hold on to one side of the thread there. Whoops. And there you go. You're threaded. Now I'm going to use quilting thread just to show you that it doesn't matter if it's quilting thread or regular thread. And I'm going to pull it around to the front just like before. I'm going to make sure that the eye of the needle is facing front to back. And just drop that in the slot. Oops, I think I moved it. Let me pull it out just to double check it. Nope, it was okay. And then I'm going to press the little lever. Pull it up, and there it is. It's been pushed through for me, so all I have to do is pull it. Alright, so just another gadget from the sewing room, and it doesn't matter if it is just a regular thread or quilting thread. Have a great day, guys.